In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process AutoSuper in Xero. AutoSuper in Xero lets you pay employee superannuation contributions electronically, straight from your payroll data, so payments are accurate, timely, and compliant. Before we begin, make sure you're in the correct Xero organization and that you have the appropriate payroll permissions. To get started, head to the main navigation and click on Payroll. This is your hub for all payroll activities, including pay runs, employee records, and super. If you don't see payroll in the menu, it usually means your user role doesn't include payroll access, or the organization isn't on a payroll-enabled plan. In that case, ask the subscriber or an administrator to adjust your access or confirm the plan includes payroll. Once you're in the payroll area, click on Superannuation. This opens the superannuation section where AutoSuper is managed. Here, you can view super contributions that have been calculated from your posted pay runs. It's the place where contributions are gathered and prepared for payment through Xero's clearing service. Think of it as your console for reviewing what's due, confirming the amounts line by line, and getting everything ready to send. If you've posted recent pay runs, you should see the corresponding super amounts appear here after the payroll calculations are complete. If you encounter a message indicating you need to be on a plan to access AutoSuper, don't worry. That simply means the current subscription doesn't include this feature. AutoSuper is available for eligible Australian payroll plans. To proceed, have the subscriber or billing contact check the organization's subscription and upgrade to a plan that includes AutoSuper. Also, confirm your user role includes payroll access, especially the ability to manage superannuation. Once that's sorted, return to payroll, then superannuation, and the page should load normally. A few tips to keep things smooth. Ensure every employee has a valid superfund selected and, where applicable, their member number recorded. Super amounts come from posted pay runs, so complete and post your pay runs before visiting the superannuation section. Keep an eye on fund processing times and any end-of-quarter cutoffs to avoid delays. If your organization uses two-step authentication for approvals, have your device handy when it's time to authorize payments. Finally, after payments are processed, reconcile the transactions in your bank account against the AutoSuper payments to keep your books clean and audit ready. That's it. Click Payroll, open Superannuation, and make sure you're on the right plan. With those pieces in place, AutoSuper in Xero takes care of the heavy lifting so your contributions are accurate and on time.